The Venom's back and the weather's turned dark and moody. It's because of this guy it is raining. Look at the amount of damage that happened here. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. And as you see, the Venom's back. Man, this bike has a character. I love this character. Gear shifts are fine, and they've replaced the cluster. Upshifts are happening perfectly well. Downshifts are also happening fine. Only thing that hasn't been fully resolved is the bike not switching to neutral in idle conditions. Let's see. See, the problem is, let's say I stop here. I need to shift to neutral before I come there. If I put one here, and if I try to switch to neutral, it's not happening. These are not like major problems. I can live with it because there's a ride that's coming up and I'm like super excited about it. So there are a few things that were replaced under warranty. First is the instrument cluster, and the key that I broke is also replaced. Also a few bolts for the exhaust header pipes, and also the mid pipes were changed because they are rusting a bit. Pop. The Venom's back and the weather's turned dark and moody. Kind of perfect for this bike's character and the color. I think 95% of the problems were rectified in the service, so, and they took roughly 5 to 6 days, but they got it right. I don't need to go back again except for that neutral while in idle. That's the only thing that needs to be rectified. If they want to do any further checks, they have to open the clutch cover and see if there is any wear and tear or damage. Unfortunately, I have a ride plan on this bike and I need to, you'll know more details later on. Why to reveal everything in one vlog? It already started raining and my house is at least 20 minutes away. So I'm contemplating whether to stop for lunch because I haven't had my lunch yet, and then wait till the rain subsides or just go directly to home. There is projections of rain today, tomorrow, to some extent on Sunday also. Kind of tempted to just go home because this rain might or might not stop, and when it's light right now, better to reach home. You know why it's raining? Shriman showed interest in a ride. If you showed interest in a ride, it started raining in March, peak summer time. Imagine what will happen in the summer if he actually rides. Chalo, nothing much to show. We'll catch you guys at home because I want to talk about an important topic about gear. I don't know if you can see in the background, but the rain subsided. So went back home within time, had lunch, took a quick power nap, 20 minutes, nothing more than that. And then I get a call from this person saying, can we meet? I'm outside. I was wondering, I told you guys why it was raining. It's because of this guy it is raining. The moment he plans something, the moment he rides, the moment he decides to get out of the house, it starts raining, man. He planned for a GS experience which is happening this weekend. I'm planning to go and it started raining. So I don't know how muddy it will be this time. Not ideal conditions to do off-roads, but that's okay. Chaitanya was supposed to join me for lunch, but then I got late. So he went back home. But now I think he's tied up at home for coffee. Is Aditya joining us? So yeah, finally his phone call is done. Induki violence, why?
Which violence? In the rain?
This violence.
It's not in my hand, it's in my...
I'm still in shock.
We have some dosh.
Like seriously, Chennai was cold in March. Weird.
I started thinking.
No, you're going to Chennai. It's gonna cloud.
I'm just thinking. Thinking it on the weather. So I'm genuinely thinking, should I go or not?
Are best edari bora. Dubai boy akkada vaana padalannadu.
Nenu elladu akkada kuda paddadu.
Ikkade undu raaku. Maaku enda chalu.
Imagine this is in March.
That's March, not
transition
even starting
from winter
March
to summer. Not even winter to rainy or rainy to summer. It is proper winter to summer where there shouldn't be rain.
So you're talking about trip, not rain, because that's common factor, I guess. You're going somewhere, right?
Plan. You can see. Mabbulu emantaru.
I think I'll start doing my own rides. These guys plan it will rain. In April there will be a ride, April or May, pakka. I was just speaking to some guys, so it's going to be an interesting ride. ఆటోనే జనరేటరా లోపలలాగా వినిపిస్తుంది వినపడదులే వెనకాల నుంచి. ఏమ్రా పాటలు బాగా పాడుతున్నావు? లైఫ్లో చాలా అవుతున్నట్టున్నాయి.
వద్దురా ప్లీజ్, వద్దురా.
లాస్ట్ వీడియోతో నీకు బై ద వే చాలా ఫ్యాన్స్ వచ్చారు లాస్ట్ వీడియోతో.
మై వీడియో?
యా,
సారీ,
మై వీడియో.
సారీ, ఫ్యాన్స్?
యా, దే సెడ్ దే స్పాటెడ్ యు క్వైట్ ఎ ఫ్యూ ప్లేసెస్.
అదే నువ్వు హ్యాపీయే కదా?
ఐ యామ్ హ్యాపీ.
గజాల హ్యాపీయే కదా? టైల్ చేస్తున్నారంటగా. పద్మావతి హ్యాపీయేగా?
కావాలని కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయగానే చెప్పరా అంటే చెప్తావు. డబ్బులు కట్టమంటున్నాను నిన్ను.
హాయ్. తిప్పి పెట్టాలా? ఓకే ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
అడ్డదిడ్డంగా పార్క్ చేస్తే ఇలానే ఉంది.
దోసకాయ
అలా ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ కార్ పార్క్ చేస్తే
అక్కడ పార్క్ చేయలేదు, పక్కనే పెట్టు.
ఎవడిల్లది?
ఇల్లు ఎవడలేదురా, మొత్తం కూల్.
అందుకే వచ్చేది
మందేరా మన
చలాన్లు. ట్రాఫిక్ వాళ్ళు చూస్తే ఇదిగో ఈ నెంబర్ ప్లేట్ ఫుల్ గా వేయండి చలాన్. ఫుల్ గా ఫ్యాన్సీ నెంబర్ ప్లేట్ ఎన్ని 10 సార్లు వేయాలి ఇప్పటికి చలాన్. లింక్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఫర్ చలాన్స్.
కట్టేమని రాలానే అదే చేస్తాం.
ఏమి నిన్ను పాయింట్ చేయడం కాకుండా నీ చలాన్లు కూడా కట్టాలా?
ఏదో
ఏంది నా అపాచీకి మొన్న 8 చలాన్లు వచ్చాయి.
అపాచీ
నా నెంబరే లేదు, అది రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కూడా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయిపోయింది. పోయింది అయినా నా నెంబర్
కొంచెం పైకి పెట్టరా, మరి పొట్ట చూపిస్తున్నావు.
పిల్ల అవుదని ఫీల్
ఆల్రెడీ అవ్వట్లేదు, అందుకే
అలా పాజిటివ్ ఉండాలి.
చాలా అంటావా? అవ్వట్లేదని ఫీలింగ్ రా, అయిపోతుంది తొందరగా.
పొట్టే ఉందిలేరా, అంకుల్ అయిపోయాను. మాతో తిరుగుతాను పెద్ద 20 అని ఫీల్ అవుతావు.
29 ఓన్లీ
చెప్పుకోవడానికి.
బై హార్ట్ ఓన్లీ 16.
చూడడం ఆపు,
ఎవరు
తినేకు.
రే
ఇప్పుడే తిన్నావు బేగన్ బేగన్ గా.
కెమెరా స్టార్ట్ అయితే చాలు,
కెమెరా ఆన్ అయితే సొల్లు కొట్టేది. ఎక్కడికి? హే, ఎవరు ఫోన్? సమ్వన్ స్పెషల్? నీ లైఫ్ లో ఆడరా? ఆడనే పెళ్లి చేసుకో. సరే
ఇగో మహారాజా చాట్ ఏడు నువ్వు ఆర్డర్ చేయంటే వచ్చే లోపల అయిపోతే వెళ్ళిపోతాం తిని. ఏం కావాలి నీకు? నైస్. కాదు, కార్ బాగుంది. సరే నువ్వు రా, కేవీఆర్ దగ్గర కదా, టైం పడుతుంది, వచ్చిన తర్వాత చూద్దాం.
అరే నైస్ అనగానే అమ్మాయి అనుకున్నాడు కదా జనాలు.
సారీ.
ఏంది డిన్నర్ ప్లాన్?
డిన్నర్ ప్లాన్ ఏం లేదు.
సో ఇది జస్ట్ నాకు డిన్నర్ లేదు ఇంట్లో, సో ఐ కెన్ ఈట్ అవుట్.
ఇలాంటప్పుడల్లా ఇడు జస్ట్ స్నాక్ అంటాడు. డిన్నర్కి వెళ్దాం అన్నప్పుడేమో ఇంట్లో ఉందని చెప్తాడు.
అవును రా, అప్పుడే నేను తినలేదా కథ. అన్ని బీప్ చేసి
మనం చెప్తే బీప్ చేయడు. సాలేగాడు ఇలా సరిపోదురా, సరిపోతుందిరా.
రైట్ కి వెళ్ళిపో, నేను దిగినాక నువ్వు తరఫున లెఫ్ట్ వచ్చి నువ్వు.
ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తున్నారా?
డ్రైవర్ లాగా అంటే డ్రైవ్ చేస్తున్నావు కదా.
దిగండి మరి. యూ పెయిడ్ నో? కలెక్షన్ బాగున్నాయి ఈరోజు. కవర్ మొత్తం కౌంటర్ 1, కౌంటర్ 2, కౌంటర్ 3, కౌంటర్ 4, కౌంటర్ 5. Ignore the messy hair and the sweatshirt because it's getting cold, man. For the first time I feel a bit chilly in March, and this is unexpected, but I think it's gonna last only for 3-4 days, and then we're gonna hit with such an amount of heat, the summer heat, that this will be feeling bad for this rain, because after every rain, whenever you get heat in the summer or pre-summer heat, it's going to be really bad and humid, which I don't like. Anyway, as I mentioned earlier, I won't talk about the gear, right? This is the racing suit that I use. On the recent track session in day 2, I didn't show much, but if you've been following me on Instagram here, you would know that I crashed, and this was at C5 on the MMRT track. There is a slight bump on the track, and that's where the front gave away, and you see the damage here. Just a bit of brushing here, see the back here, you see that, just some brushing on the road. Maybe the top layers, the polish is slightly gone, but still in good shape. This is from a crash at Chicane. On a whole, the suit is holding up quite well, but the few things on this suit which needs replacing. You see these metal plates? They're placed at knees, elbows and shoulders. These help when you fall and slide. Look at the damage here. This is fine. You can still continue riding, although this has come out slightly. Ideally you want it to be flush with the jacket, and when you slide you don't want it to come out. These take most of the impact, and these help you slide faster and also have more protection because these are the impact zones, and there is protection inside the jacket too at these important points. This damage happened at Chicane because the track is very rough. I don't need to still replace this. I can manage with this one, but let me show you the worst of all. Look at the amount of damage that happened here. And the worst bit is this pin came off from this shoulder base section. So I can't fix this. I can remove this plate, but finding replacements for Ducati Corsa branded ones is difficult. Dainese ones come, but they have 4 screws and not 3, and it's not a straight fit. This is the damage that your shoulder would have taken in case you didn't have gear. And that's why I say all the gear all the time. Sometimes in the city you can't have everything, because I was attending an event and then I went to the showroom. That's why I ride slow and wear at least only gloves and helmet. Helmet and gloves and shoes are mandatory, man. I know some people can't afford gear. That's why I had a giveaway where if I'm not using the gear, at least someone else can use it. So in case you have spare gear that you're not using, please give away. And in case you don't have gear and you ride, please make sure you buy one. Personally, I think someone should spend at least 10% of their bikes or vehicles cost into riding gear, man. Because I think life is invaluable, but at least that's a bare minimum one should do. Sometimes it's just not your fault. Anything can happen. Like on the track session, the track was bumpy. I avoided that for most of the sessions, but that just one session when I didn't, I fell down. Similar thing can happen on road when someone else can come and hit you without any fault of yours. So in that regard, make sure you invest in the gear, okay? I need to figure out how to get these parts. I think I might have to reach out to Ducati Italy and figure out if I can get these plates and mount it. When I read online, they said I need to send this to the Dainese store in Italy or India, get it repaired through the dealer and then get it back. If it's not repairable, they'll give you a cost and then you can invest that in a new gear. Sounds complicated, but that's what you get when you buy such fancy OEM gear. OEM matlab Ducati's gear. If I buy Alpinestore or Dainese separately, maybe I can get easy replacements. Chalo, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. In case you're watching this night time, have a good night and take care. Bye bye.